How to change Facebook cover photo without notification. So if you want to change Facebook cover photo without notification, then first of all open up your Facebook application, and then you can go to the upper right corner which has that three dot icon, and then you can go to your profile. And after opening your profile, here you can simply tap on your cover photo, and then you can simply tap on upload photo, and it will take you to your gallery, and then you can simply choose a photo that you would like. And after choosing the photo, now on the bottom you will have share your update to newsfeed, so you can simply turn that off, and now you can tap on save, which is on the upper right, and that's it. Now you can simply wait for some time, and then you can scroll down, and here you won't have that photo on your newsfeed, but you will have that on your cover photo. So that's it. That's how you change your cover photo without sharing that to your newsfeed. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.